Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to check the Antutu score on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the web browser on your smartphone. Now from here, just search Antutu benchmark APK. Now from here, just open this website. Now from here, just tap on the download button to download the Antutu benchmark APK. Now from here, tap on download anyway. Now from here, tap on details. Now from here, tap on Antutu benchmark. Now from here, tap on update. Now from here, tap on open. Now from here, tap on test again to start the Antutu benchmark test. Now, as you can see, the Antutu benchmark test has been completed. Now, and as you can see, we are currently using the Poco C75, and the Antutu score of this Poco phone is 2,63,370. And this is how you can check the Antutu score of any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.